Ay, boy.
Trek, paliwanag mo.
board. Nakabidyo na ba yan? Sige, tol, tol,
Nakabidyo
tol,
na,
tol.
nakabidyo na.
Paliwanag mo. Explain.
Here we're looking at the big snake. And see, when you have drunken a lot of alcohol, who spits a lot of saliva. Look at the pool of saliva. The ass will eat the saliva. Please, be cautious. We're near the Croc territory.
Siyempre, nalaman
Very dangerous situation. Okay, that's the leader. And there's the wall.
Another creature.
Another creature. Oh man,
Ano?
this can't be.
Human.
It's an elf.
It's a
It's a Smurf. Hey, and it's me. I'm Steve Ewan.
Tama na yan, tara na. Tayo tapsi.
Trek, tara na.
Tara, Rex.
Well, hindi ko kaya magtapos si Perpeto.
Sorry na lang sa'yo.
Oh, sorry na lang siya.
Tara, Rex, karga kita.
Teka, may picture ako lang sarili ko.
We're very sorry you can't eat tapsilog because you know you're a snake. You can't even eat tapa. You know you can't even eat tapa.
Sofa.
You can only eat
You can
itlog.
eat sofa if you're
can
drunk.
only eat a
You can only eat itlog because you're a snake.
You eat
You
egg.
eat only chicken.
And then
You eat only chicken.
Look,